And then the last station, we have our cleaning product. As we talked about earlier, we have this impregnation, which we call AQUATEX. So if you have these extra small whatever holes where you can see there is a small leak due to use or due to whatever, where you need to re-impregnate, because we say as a general rule that if you clean and maintain and if you use it as a permanent camper, then you need to re-impregnate every third year or something.
Okay.
But this one in the middle one, you can always spray this on the sewing, and this one will also be helpful when you are doing putting in your awnings in the rail, and that is a small glider, so it will.
Oh.
So that is
like a lubricant as well.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, so that is very good for this one. And then for the cleaning products, we have two different kinds. We have our all year, which can, as the word says, can be used all year. That is for the daily cleaning.
Okay.
And then we have a stronger one, which we call season. That is meant for when the season is over, and if it's whatever on it, then you can clean it really proper and before you put it away for the next season. This here on this one, as it says season and only doing once a year, it needs to be, the awning then needs to be re-impregnated again.
Okay.
Because it will take all that impregnation that has been done, all the awnings, all the roof, all of the one has been re-impregnated from the factory.
Okay.
So after first really rush, need to do the impregnation again, and that is the same as this AQUATEX. It comes here in the spray, then we have it in a 1 liter, 2.5 liter, and a 5 liter.
Okay.
And all information on the website, how much to use and how much to whatever.
Yeah.
We always say, please, for the cleaning, use our products, because we can totally say that this is proper, then the guarantee and whatever.
Yeah.
But if something is used by one of our competitors or whatever, we cannot say that it's how it will affect our Isacryl or our roof material or whatever.
Because this is specially formulated by us for our products.
Yeah.
It's as with anything that you want to make last, there are some steps that sometimes require some care and maintenance. The same way you change oil in your car. There's some steps here that to remove the bird droppings or tree sap or whatever that's collected from using your awning throughout the year.
Exactly. And also I would say not a weekly, but every second week, if you just take what is called
like a broom or a brush?
Brush, and then just brush the roof, brush the acrylic from inside, because the dust from outside, because we are in the outside. Yeah. So all this will, of course, this will go into the fabric. Coming with the moist, it will be set, and then perhaps you will have mold easier.
Interesting.
So every second week, you don't need to clean, but just dust it. So take the worst part of it away, and then of course once a month, two times a year to do the cleaning one. Then perhaps you don't need to do this every year anyway.
Yeah.
Just being used every third year.
Yeah.
When you know you need to re-impregnate anyway.
Yeah, and I think that's also these products that typically the way our style of camping done in Europe is our product is standing for 1 month, 3 months at a time.
So 12.
Yeah, to 12 months at a time. So these recommendations are based on that sort of heavy use.
Yeah.
If I'm just taking my extension out on my Airstream Atlas a couple times this summer or so forth, then
dust and clean, and then use this one, then use this after 3 or 4 years.
Right. Yeah.
And then of course for the window foil we have also a window easy clean, and with this fiber cloth, please do not use anything else than this than a fiber cloth, because this can scratch the window foil.
Makes sense.
So, but this comes along with all the easy clean for the windows.
Okay.
And then of course when you do the impregnation, please do not get any. Of course, if you have the AQUATEX on the window, just clean it right away.
Okay.
because if this dry up in the foil, then it will be milky, whatever, and then you cannot take it off again.
Interesting.
So the impregnation, clean. Sometimes you can just do it with water, but to be safe, do like this.
Yeah, that makes sense.
On all these maintenance guidance and everything, we have tons of videos on YouTube. We have our own YouTube channel where you can see, prepare how to build up, how to clean, how to maintain, how to change, how to whatever. Thousands of videos.
Yeah.
Yeah.